In this ukulele video, we're going to learn a classic, famous rock lick here. Kind of a new series we're going to start here. This one, what a way to start off. This is the Beatles, Don't Let Me Down. All right, that's it. Short but sweet, but it's got some cool R&B soul type double stops. I'll get to that in a second. First of all, welcome to Uke Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. And if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. That way you stay up to date on all the lessons and tutorials and reviews even. We do on ukulele, guitar lele, and baritone. And we're also producing guitar content over at my Rock Like the Pros channel. If you're on Instagram, you can find me over there at Uke Like the Pros. So this is a great little intro lick to Don't Let Me Down by the Beatles. Like I said, it's got some double stops. And what that means is 2 notes at a time. And I'm going to show you all those as well. Now, if you want the tab, as well as the backing tracks, which we're going to play to here in a second, you can get both of those over at patreon.com/Uke Like the Pros. All right, so let me show this to you. This is the first lick right here. And I'm going to be using all downstrokes. So it's my thumb. It's going to start, and the lick actually starts on beat 2. So it's like 3, 4, 1. And it's going to start right here on 6, on the 3rd string, 6th fret, and then 7th fret of the 2nd string. I'm going to hit those together, and then I'm going to hammer on with my 3rd finger to the 8th fret. Right there. Right there, there it is. There it is. All right, and then I'm going to hit this 7-7 right there. So that's the first part, which is. Now the second part says. All right, so it's going to start on the 7-7 again. You're going to hit that. You're going to hammer on to the 9th fret here, and then back to 7-7. So that's a, and then so then I'm going back to that 6-7, 9 on the 3rd string with my pinky, and then I'm gonna hit the last double stop, which is 8 and 7. So just the second part is this. All right, if we do the whole lick, and we're gonna do it with the backing track right after this, it's gonna be like this: 3, 4, 1. I mean, dang, how cool is that? All right, so let's bring in the backing track, and we're actually going to do it. We're going to loop it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 3 and. All right, so what a great intro lick to, again, that's the Beatles, Don't Let Me Down. Now, if you're ready to take your playing to the next level, come on and join me over at ukelikeThePros.com. We're the #1 online site to learn ukulele. We got courses, we got memberships. It doesn't matter what level you're on, we got something for you. We even do weekly Q&A video calls with me and my entire worldwide Uke Like the Pros community. Again, you can check it out at ukelikeThePros.com. Thanks for being here. We'll see you next time.